So far, you know what blood is and who takes your blood for blood test. But don't you want to know how does that turn into numbers? We are here at MedLife Lab, and today with us we have Imran Khan, who is the Assistant Quality Manager. Hi Imran.
Hello.
So what is the first thing that happens to blood samples when it reaches the labs?
The temperature of the sample collected are captured, and then the test equation form details are verified with the details on the sample and the type of test. After the first level of verification, samples are submitted for the second level of verification where the sample integrity is checked. Then it is entered into the laboratory information system using a barcode. These barcodes are used by the instrument to perform the map test.
So Imran, there are multiple processes that you follow, but how can we trust this process?
The process and protocol followed at MedLife Lab meet the quality standards set by the accrediting body, that is NABL, and are assessed by them. Lab with NABL accreditation can be trusted for precise sample testing.
Oh wow, so MedLife Lab is NABL certified. That's great. Now I'm even more excited to go find out what happens in those fancy looking machines. We have with us here Darshan, who's the lab technical coordinator here. He ensures that the processes are in place and is functioning smoothly. Hi Darshan.
Hello.
So once the sample's integrity is ensured, what do we do?
We have 5 different departments: hematology, biochemistry, immunology, clinical pathology, and serology. As per the test, we will segregate the sample and we will distribute the sample to the different departments. And in each department, we have high-end instruments which gives more accurate results. We have state-of-art instruments called Vitros XT 7600 and 5600 for biochemistry and immunology. The cutting edge feature of these two instruments, which works on dry chemistry technology, which is rarely seen in many laboratories. For detection of HbA1c, we have variant 2 turbo instruments which works on high performance liquid chromatography, which gives more accurate report than other method. We have 2 hematology 5-part instruments which works on electrical impedance and scattergram technology, which gives more accurate CBC report. MedLife Lab is fully integrated with medical laboratory information system. There is no manual work involved in report generation.
That's great. Now I know that my reports are going to be accurate and cannot be messed up. MedLife.